Need to send a document, image, or another file through Microsoft Teams. In this guide, I'll show you how to share files in a chat and channel, upload files from your computer, and find files you've already shared. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft Teams and select Chat. Choose the person or group you want to send the file to, or start a new chat if you haven't talked with them before. Next, look for the plus sign, attachment, or file button near the message box. Select it, then choose the option to upload a file from your device. Browse to the file you want to share and select it. You can send documents, images, spreadsheets, presentations, and other supported file types. Before sending, make sure you've selected the correct file. Once the file appears in the message box, add a short message if you want, then select Send. The file will be shared with the people in that conversation according to the available permissions. You can also share files inside a team channel. Open the team and channel where you want to post the file, then create a new post and use the attachment option to add your document. Another option is to open the files or shared area in a chat or channel. From there, you can upload files, view shared documents, and manage available file actions. This is useful when you want to find files without scrolling through messages. If a file has already been uploaded, you don't always need to upload it again. Find the file in the shared area, open its available options, and choose Share or Copy link when available. Before sending a sensitive document, check who can access it. Teams file sharing can use Microsoft OneDrive or SharePoint, so access may depend on the file's permissions. Yeah, always make sure the right people have access. And that's how to send files in Microsoft Teams. Attach a file in a chat, upload one to a channel, or share an existing file using its link. So whether it's a document or presentation, your team can access what they need in just a few clicks.